Hey YouTube, I am Tiberius and you're about to watch an edited recording of a Twitch stream. You can check out my Twitch using the link in the video description. If you enjoy the content, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. Thank you and enjoy the video. Okay, so we have my IP address. We should probably add the port dnsmasq. Why does it say d? Okay, hang on. dnsmasq. The method, I have no idea what the method is called, to be quite honest with you. I learnt it like, oh goodness. 14 years ago? Yeah, it's the easy method. It's the simple method. I don't want to do anything fancy. Okay, address equals UpDown.hackthebox. There's the address. Sudo service dnsmasq restart. And we'll just make sure it's resolving UpDown. Lovely. Okay, we're gonna make a directory. And then I'm gonna do AutoRecon, which I had to install in a different directory. UpDown.hackthebox should work. Oh, great. Oh, hang on. I know what's wrong. Pym global 3.10. There we go. Much better. I need to switch my version of Python. Yeah, we're going to take the burp cert? Yeah, I am. I'm going to take it this year. I've been putting it off for too long. I'm at least going to try it. I mean, yeah, it's... I've heard it's extremely difficult. Because I think it's only... I think you only have either 3 or 6 hours or something, and you have to get, like, there's 3 different vulnerabilities you need to find. So yeah. Okay, let's open VSS code or whatever it's called. Okay, UpDown. Okay, so we have only 2 ports apparently. 22. We always check 22 just to see if we can authenticate using public key or password. We can authenticate using both. That's always good to know. Okay. So let's fire up burp and see what we have. TCP updown.hackthebox. Is my website up? Here you can check if your website is up or down. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So that's me. I'm immediately now thinking it's going to be some form of server-side request forgery. Debug mode on or off. Interesting. Okay. Ferox Buster, what have you got for us? Only 2 pages. They're probably the same page. We've got, actually they are the same page, judging by the character count. We've got index.php, and we've got this one. But we do have a dev directory, which is interesting. So let's just go to that first. Okay, what does that do? The dev directory is empty. So we should probably go buster that, or buster that as well. There's nothing else though, it looks like. It is still going. But we'll open up a new directory bust thing on that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to down here to commands log, and we're going to go to Ferox Buster here. I'm just going to copy this into a new thing here. Word wrap. So I will just put dev here. And text, HTML, PHP, that's fine. What I'm probably going to do, though, actually what I'm definitely going to do is add here dev. So it outputs to another file. Okay, I'm going to go here. And, don't know what happened there. Copy that. Okay. Okay, we have a git. You know what? Okay, we'll do this in a minute. I imagine that. Okay, yeah, this is still running. That's okay. Let's. Is this? Oh no, it's okay. I'm gonna turn off the stream, guys. I'm sorry. It's Saturday. Why are you complaining, Christy? All right, let's. Well, I know typing google.com isn't going to work because these boxes don't have access to the internet. So what we need to do is use my own IP address. I do have a web server running on it. So we're going to do HTTP 10. Actually, before I do this, I am going to open up a new tab and I'm going to sudo tail -f varlog apache to access log. And that, okay, should mean if I do something like curl 10.10.14.117, why is that? Where's my address? Hang on. Sudo service apache to start. Is it not started up? It might not be started up. That might be why. It wasn't started. There we go. Glad I checked that. All right. So we have basically this. It's going to tail the access logs, and it's going to tell me if we get a hit. And so I'm going to go back to this 10.10.14.117. Sure, we'll enable debug mode. Why not? And we do indeed get a hit. That's nice. Okay, and this is siteisup.htb is the UserAgent string. So it's not your behavior to do impromptu streams. I guess not, but I mean, why not? I'm here. It's fine. Let's create a Notion folder for it. The extension of a burp that you used yesterday is free. Good question. I think it is. It really depends on whether it's pro only, but I don't think it is. What is it called? It's not this one. JWT editor, I believe it is. It is free. You can put it in community edition if you want. What was I going to do? Yeah. Gonna hack the box. Quickly add a page. UpDown. Empty page. And just gonna put that in there. So the user agent is this, which means can we basically just add this user agent to what we were doing before? So let me basically address equals dot that 10.129.1.187 restart restart dnsmasq. Okay, how come I have a public IPv4 address starting at 10? Why would I don't have a where are you seeing a public IP address? Like, I mean, yeah, it's a 10. It's a private IP address. That's not a public. Why would that be public? Okay, so let's try going to... Okay, so it does seem that... I wonder if you should... What if the dev directory works now? Does not. I don't quite know why we get the different thing here, but either way. So it's gonna spit this out. Okay, so can I just do... I mean, what I really want to do is, can I use my PHP noexec? So I have a PHP noexec directory which contains a bunch of PHP files which don't execute on my web server, right? So PHP info, for instance, will return that. So the nice thing is that means I can request this file knowing that if it does execute, it's being executed on the remote server, which it's not. Okay. So that's... Yeah, so basically it's not doing like an include or anything. It's doing some kind of file get contents, I would imagine. Okay. What happens if we do debug 0? It just doesn't... Okay. Okay, so what we probably want to do here is do the usual stuff, like check if there is a local host. And there is, and indeed it can fetch itself. So maybe, can we grab siteisup.htb locally? Is that maybe something we can do? Does it refer to something else? Doesn't look like it. I think for the prime sub derest 2808. Okay, what we can do though is we can... I'm sorry if it scared you. 127001 is going to be the same thing, right? Yeah. So one thing you can do with SSRF like this, before we try anything like grabbing files, we can do like port numbers. And so if we actually, let me show you in repeater. So we know that, for example, if we query port 80, we're going to get this content, 22. Oh, sorry, 22. It says seems to be down, but like I wonder if there's any other ports, right? So if we get the seems to be down, that means it wasn't able to connect. So we are going to iterate over some ports now. And what I'm going to try and do, there is a nice list. Mmap top 1000 ports list. Yes, this site, nullsec, is great, this thing. Because what you can do is you can just copy this comma separated list into your editor of choice, do a find, replace, place all the commas with a new line, copy it, and then paste it into payloads. And this is the top 1000 TCP ports. And so what we can do now is we're going to extract whatever it says. 2 seconds. Can I do 22 or something? You know what port 1 is? I don't. Refetch response. Okay, we're going to do...
Thank you for following.
Oh, that's a good question. I want to see what happens if we do... If we have a valid response, what is it? Is it in the center tags as well? It is. Okay, so we basically want to grab the center tags here. Back to sorry, I'm not even an intruder right now. So basically everything in between the center tags we are interested in. All right, and then we'll just start the attack. Why is it so small? What the hell? Okay. And basically then we can just do seems to be down, negative search, and it seems that only port 80 is open.
Thank you for following.
However, if we do go to columns and response received, sometimes you can tell, but it doesn't look like in this case. Sometimes you can tell if a port is open by the response times. But in this case, it doesn't look like that's the case. Because where is port 80? Port 80... 13 seconds, yeah. So you can't really differentiate between a port that's open and not. Whenever you have seems to be down, you have color equals red. Yes, that's because that's how it appears like this. So if I was to do something like this, well, that's too many port numbers, but this is going to say seems to be down in red. We search something like an API. Well, the next thing to do is check if we can use file. Like, can we just do etc password, for instance? Hacking attempt was detected. Okay. So is that just is that just file maybe? Hacking attempts. This is a neat trick. Just gonna auto scroll to this. Okay, so file isn't. I imagine you can't just specify files. Yeah, you can't. Can you do like PHP maybe? Wow. So is it everything except for HTTP? Maybe, could be. Oh, wait, what? Okay, no, so it's HTTP and then there has to be an actual... Right, okay, that makes sense. Can we view like the dev directory? Because the directory was... Yeah, there's nothing there. Okay, let's go back to this, because remember we did find this .git thing. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab that git thing. So there is a, oh goodness, .git extractor, GitHub or something. git-dumper, there we go. git-dumper is really interesting. Oh, it can be installed with pip, nice. cool. Let's install it. And then we'll use it. Git-dumper. Okay, so we want to just give it a URL and a directory. Lovely, okay. So I think we should just be able to give it this dev directory. And then just say dev. Lovely, okay. Why am I doing ls twice? Okay, so we have clearly a few things here. Let's check out the index.php file. This is only for developers. Direct access equals false. Page equals get page. Okay. Interesting. I'm not entirely sure what that is. Admin.php, access denied, to-do, changelog. Okay, check a bunch of websites. Multi-threading, remove the upload option, new admin panel. Okay. Checker. So it's using curl. Okay, so this basically this checker is actually the index page of the other site, I think. Apparently we do still have the upload, yes. If post check we'll see if you do git log. We'll do that in a sec. The thing is, this isn't the same website, look. So I imagine, I mean, we could try something. If we just copy this form, it's going to cat checker out. So let's just do this. And we're going to go back to here, make sure we're good. Right click, inspect. Inspect this thing. Okay, we're going to edit as HTML. Place that all. And all right, let's create a file then. I already think this is definitely would have been too hard to do without without tools. Okay, cd hack the box up. So I'm going to do urls.txt. We're going to do http localhost. And I'm going to do http 10.10.14.117. All right, and then we're going to. I'm still tailing stuff. That's always good. All right. So we're going to upload this. Check. Yeah, it didn't work. Okay, that's no problem. Let's explore. Okay. So I think So this obviously gives us a blank directory. No, okay. I need to Google this then, because set env if no case. Search for it. Windows Progress course so far is freaking amazing. Thank you. Yeah, to be honest, Windows wasn't my strong point when I was even writing the course, so I learnt a lot writing the course. Also, by the time I wrote the Windows one, I discovered WinPs. when I come to rewrite them, probably later this year, I'm just gonna use linps in the Linux one. I mean, it makes no sense to do anything else. Okay, sets environment variables based on the attributes of the request with respect to case. Okay, so we do set env if no case attribute regex, and then so the attribute is okay, so this will cause the site environment variable to be set to example if the HTTP request header field host was included and contained example.org. Okay. So, yes, special dev is a header then, presumably. And then if it's got a value of only 4 dev, it'll set required header. I think at this point we do need to just do a git log. Yeah, here we go. All right, where are we? So we're at the head, delete index.php.
Thank you for following.
Thank you, gold, not a person. Delete index.php, update checker.php. I mean, let's go back to this one, I guess. So we need to do git checkout. Well, now there's a .ht password as well, which has nothing in it. Oh, hang on. Maybe we have to do the other site. Maybe it's not this site. Maybe it's UpDown. Although to be honest, yeah, I should really try this header in every single site. So I guess, is it just admin.php? There we go. So here, look, you can. I'm in the dev repo. There's only one branch, and I can just go back and check what changed here. You see? I tried git show. I didn't, but the thing is, it's still really annoying. it's still this. This is just like, I mean, yeah, developers can understand what this means, but still, which would you rather prefer, this or this, where you can see exactly what happened, right? This is everything in green is stuff that was added, and anything in red was removed. Like, there are times when a graphical user interface is good. Okay, so we're going all the way back to when it was created. It required an IP of 127.0.0.1 or IPv6 equivalent. Okay. The password didn't have anything in it. Created an index.php, a style sheet, we don't care about that. Updated it. Yeah, this is GitHub's client. Then it added this thing. Okay, deleted the HTTP password, which never had anything in it. Create admin.php. I mean, so it does look like the upload is still there. But I don't really. Oh, why does it keep doing that? That's really annoying. I don't understand why the header thing isn't working. I guess we could try doing. Did we try doing the upload with the header set? We didn't. So maybe we'll do that. But I'm not entirely sure this is why it would work. No. Okay, clearly I'm doing something stupid. Let's just look through this code again. File is too large. Create a directory to upload our file. But there is no uploads directory, right? No. I don't really understand what this is all about now. Clearly, we've set a special dev header. I mean, maybe I should add it everywhere. What I'm going to do is go to this. So if you use the add match replace rules and you just set request header, and if you leave the match blank, you can actually just add a header here, and it will just add it. So, oops. I don't think we do need the quotes. All right, let's just reload everything, I guess. Don't want to do that. Okay, and I'm going to check out the site is up as well. But we still don't get the... Let's just double check it's adding everything. If we go to auto modified, there's the special dev header, look. I guess one thing we didn't do here is like do... Okay. I was just going to say, we didn't scan this new site for subdomains. Oh, that was funny. Yeah, because I scanned the other site. I really should. As soon as I do, why do I do this? Every time I find a new subdomain, chat, you gotta. Sorry, every time I find a new domain, chat, you gotta remind me to rerun AutoRecon. So let's actually just rerun the specific AutoRecon scan that would do that, which is not this one. It is this one here. FFUF. Why rerun? Well, because the thing is, this original FFUF thing did not find the subdomain, presumably because dev.updown.hackthebox doesn't even exist. No. But if we rerun this with siteisup.htb here. Oh Jesus, what is happening? Copy. Site is up. Get rid of this crap. And then fuzz, site is up. Non-interactive, blah, blah, blah. That. Then hopefully, yeah, if I run this now, immediately finds it. Okay. Which is interesting then. That means that presumably, even if we do dev without this header, what does it give us if we do it without the header? So it doesn't give us the beta. Look, if you do it without the header, but if we put the header back in there, so if I go to auto scroll to match when text changes, or maybe not. Oh, wait a minute, what? Oh, what am I doing up down? Ignore me, chat. I'm not doing anything. All right, we're going to send this to repeater. We're going to go, so we get an admin panel there. If I remove this, do we just, why am I not able to select stuff anymore? Yeah, we get forbidden. But interestingly, you get a forbidden, but if we do dev 1, we get 200 OK, you see? So that's why FFUF or FFUF, I don't know, people were mocking me last time saying FFUF, but it is, the tool is fuzz faster you fool, so I feel like FFUF is a valid initialism. Until somebody tells me it's an acronym, I'm going to keep calling it FFUF. So this is why FFUF can actually tell the difference between. This is why it would, like, if we give it admin, right? It's going to give it 200 OK, which is normal, right? Because it's exactly the same as without a subdomain. But if you do dev, it says, oh, there you go. Dev is a different thing. Cool. Okay. So we have an admin panel. Page equals admin. Oh, I wonder what this is. Can we do this now?
Thank you for following.
Maybe not. Okay, I mean, I'm going to check this functionality though, because now we have access to. So admin.php, it's not PHP, it's this page. Okay. So we cannot get any of these. Okay, that makes sense. We can't have any URLs that contain bin, user, home, var, or etc. And it ends in .php. Okay, so we can probably then just do PHP filters, right? PHP filter, resource. Sorry, not that. convert.base64-encode /resource equals index. Yeah. Oh, chat, you know what we're going to try now, don't you? Let's just double check this is actually accurate. It is. Oh, chat, what are we going to do? Are we going to get instant access? Tools. There we go. It's even in there right now. Sorry, what do I do? Python, PHP filter chain. Hang on. I need to remember how to use it. Haven't used it in a while. Just -- chain. So I'm just going to do test for now. Let's just see if we can even get these things working. Okay. Oh, I should probably send it through URL encode. But I need to do I need to tail it. Sorry, tail -n1 because I don't want to encode this crap. There we go. That's better. Can I just do it into xclip or x? Oops. Hopefully that worked. Piece of this. Nice. Test. Okay, so the next thing is, can we do PHP? So we're gonna do. Let's just try PHP info. Might as well. You for some reason have to put a space. Oh. Why did that not like that? Oh, of course, it's xclip. What am I talking about? It's copying it. That's not right. Okay, I'm just going to copy this. I'm guessing xclip doesn't work very well. This is not cheating. This is the best exploit that's come out of PHP in a long time. It might not work because honestly, this is pretty long. Ignore me, it worked. Okay, so we're now going to use the smallest command shell thing you can use, which is this. I don't think you need this semicolon. I don't need xclip anymore. Okay. All right, and now we do an ampersand 0 equals ID. Ooh, okay. So that didn't work. 500 internal server error. Might need the semicolon then. Whoops. Interesting. Okay, so that doesn't work. But never mind. Because we have a bunch of ways to do command execution on PHP. PHP command execution hack tricks. Hack tricks is really going to the dogs with all this. Look at this. What the fact you can't copy anything anymore? Try to install your AutoRecon laser scanner getting pip error. Interesting that you're getting that as well. That's interesting. No, nobody's filed an issue. I thought it was just me getting that error. Where's the command execution list? Come on. Alright, I'm gonna go to payloads, all the things. Probably needs to be command, unless they have a PHP thing. They don't. Command execution, please. Or command injection, I guess. Yeah, it probably is file inclusion, though it really shouldn't be. Oh my god, why is there system? Okay, they don't. Oh no, hang on, they no. Are you serious? PHP command execution, OS command execution. There's got to be just a list somewhere. Okay. I have a list in my course, but I just can't be asked to open it. We can use exec, maybe. I guess let's try just doing exec ID. Something like that. URL encode. Crap, why have I gone there? No. Try shell exec, maybe? It's going to be big, though. Interesting. There's a ton of ways to do it. But maybe we're not even supposed to do that. Maybe we're just supposed to get files from it. But I imagine we should be able to get a command execution. Oh, this function is identical to the backtick operator. Okay. That might be why. Oh, you should separate them? I don't think I need to. No, I don't need to. This is fine. Okay, there's... We could try system? But I'm not sure if that's going to work either. No. All right, you know what? I'm just going to open my course because I have a whole list of them. And it will save me going through everything again. This one. Pass through, yeah. I don't know why PHP has so many of them. I'm just going to go to the section in my course anyway because it's probably a good idea. Where are we? Command injection. It's not command injection. What am I talking about? Code injection. There we go. Okay, we got exec, shell exec, system pass through, p open, and proc open. We're gonna try pass through. I knew I had a list. We're doing. Interesting. Why is this not working? Try p open, I guess. I already did PHP info. Yeah, we could try and check if it's disabled. That would be kind of weird. Try shell exec. All right. So yeah, let's go back to copy this one. Echo the result of a PHP command. I mean, like, OS command execution disabled. Disable functions, that's the one. Okay, these are all disabled functions. Okay, so yeah, system exec, shell exec, popen, pass through. Is proc open? Proc open isn't, so I probably was just using proc open wrong. PHP proc open. So let's. What we'll do is we'll experiment with proc open. So I'm gonna do proc open. Oh, there we go. Okay. Expects 3 arguments. All right, that's probably why it was firing wrong. I kind of don't want to do this. Can I just give it empty like stuff? Can I just do this? No. Argument pipes cannot be passed by reference. No. All right, so that's probably why. Okay. I wonder, can we? This is going to be really stupid, but that might be too big. It also might not work. Did I even get a hit? No. So is it? But I mean, it didn't. It didn't die. It's possible that it needs 2 slashes, though. Maybe. Oh, what am I doing? There's only 2 extra characters, but unfortunately, every character that you add into this stupid thing makes this so much longer. Okay, did we get anything? No. It's possible that's completely disabled. We could actually check that, I think, with is it fopen or something? No, allow URL fopen. This is the medium. To be fair, though, this is probably not how you're supposed to do it. Oh, hang on. No, none of that was fine. Oh, because of the PHP. No, wait, no, that's... Maybe it won't do 2 of them? You know what I'm going to try? Let's just try doing an include... of... I mean, just try doing index.php or something. I don't know what this is going to do, but we'll try it. At the moment, I'm kind of just messing around. Because it would be fun to get this to work, and it seems like it would work. Okay. That's going to a loop, which means it was working. Okay. So instead of index, can we just do admin? Do. Apparently not. All right. Well, I presume what we're supposed to do is find some like, I don't know. We're supposed to use the actual PHP filters, like, to grab files. I guess boring. Filter convert.base64 encode resource equals, let's do etc password. Oh, that's not going to work, is it? Oh yeah, it's gonna have to end in .php. Okay. Let's just grab all the indexes and stuff and see what's going to happen. So this is that. Let's find checker. I'm going to copy that. Yeah, I'm going to copy this actually from here. Oh wait, what am I talking? Can I do this trick? I forgot the most basic thing. Text / plain test. Okay, that doesn't work. All right, fair enough. Unless I should URL encode that. No. Okay, fine. Fair enough. Oh, because no, .php would be fine.
Thank you for following.
I highly doubt expect is enabled. I suspect we're supposed to. I mean, you can try this. No, .php. No. So the null thing doesn't work. It doesn't really work anymore anyway. Admin. Empty for now. Okay, what do we do from here then? This is annoying. I guess we have to look at the upload functionality maybe. So we should be able to upload a file. Makes directory. Okay, where does it get the file name? Okay, here we go. So is there an uploads directory here? Oh, we can just list stuff. God damn it. Okay, it gets deleted though. Okay, but what if we're clever? What if we do this? Var dub sleep.php. Oh, hang on. Extension. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, this is good. Sleep.php. Sleep 300. Localhost. Sleep.php. Okay, good. Right. So now, chat. Now this is what we do. We're going to upload Oops, I didn't want to do that. I'll do this one, but we're going to go to sleep.php. Okay. And I'm going to kill all this. Choose file, URLs, check. Okay. So it's currently it's trying to load this. There we go. Look. Nice. So we can now, at least for a little bit, grab stuff. Which means we can include this file. Which means we may be able to open, we may be able to use the popen thing, I guess. So it's going to disappear now, yeah. Okay. I have two, yeah, I know. We'll get there. What's happening? Jesus, come on. All right, I'm just gonna open up a new tab, go to this. Oh, what? Oh, are you serious? It just fucking killed it all? Come on. Come on. All right, there we go. Cool. Okay, so what I want to know is the Pentest Monkey's reverse shell, I think. It won't do that. PNCL fork. Just want to see what it uses. What does it use to execute the shell? Proc open. Proc open was the one that was okay, right? Yeah, okay, so we can use this. Copy. Okay, so now if we go into urls.txt, and I don't do that. I do set paste and then do this. So the great thing about this one actually should be, if we just keep giving it this, it's going to go down them one by one. So this one slept for maybe like 30 seconds, I think. Maybe there's like a 30-second timeout. So if we want a little bit more time to work with, we could just, you know, just do this. Screw it. See how far we can take this. Let's go to the moon. Okay, so you have changed this. I have not. Let's make that statement true. We have. Okay, and this 4444. That should be good, right? Yeah. Okay. So we are going to set up a netcat reverse listener, and I'm going to get everything up. Actually, one thing I want to try before we do this, I want to see if I can, because what I don't like about this is this crap. I want to just get it in the uploads directory. So I'm thinking, can I just do something like ... and put it there, and will that go into here? Come on. Oh, what the fuck is going on? Well, what? Why is the site just down? What's going on? Has the VPN disconnected me? Yes, okay. Okay, that's working now. So if I do this again, damn it, it's still there. All right, that was it's worth a shot. So what I actually want to test is how long we do have actually. So what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna spam this. We're gonna kill this, and then I'm gonna send the. Okay, so hopefully when this. So we got to get sleep, which I think is no. Wait, it's not even connecting. What? I mean, it's uploading it, so it must be doing something. Okay, we got plenty of time. So what we really need to do is upload our new thing, and then we're going to generate a. Okay, save this. All right, we apparently have saved it. Ah. Oh, and the problem is it's not named a PHP. Oh crap. No, this isn't going to work. This isn't going to work because I can only import .php files, and I believe it checks for .php. Yeah. Well, that sucks. Okay, I'm gonna go to payloads, all the things. Well, why don't you do try hack me then? Why give you a try hack me voucher for a month? Try hack me have a bunch of really like easy learning paths that you could access, like with walkthroughs and everything. It's not like Hack the Box where you don't have any like answers. It'll like guide you through stuff. Let's do that. Because yeah, I don't think a Hack the Box subscription will do you any favors. I mean, I've been a pen tester for over 10 years now, and I'm struggling on a medium. To be fair, if the stupid PHP filtering trick worked, it would be fine. Okay, file inclusion. Let's see then. Oh. Wait a minute. Can we do like a phar thing? Because phar's not included in there. Okay, hang on. I'm just going to Google something. PHP code execution phar. I mean, if it's something I completely overlooked, then yeah, give me a hint. I'm probably completely overthinking it, but only because there's so much stuff going on right now. Like we can't get around the fact that we can only load .php files, which is annoying. Can PHP execute on a phar file? I don't. The thing is, I don't really know. That's the. I mean. Like I've never come across an instance where I could get like I could do a phar exploit or anything. Could you load .html file that had an iframe or redirect to PHP file? I don't think so. I mean, Bonzo, this is the problem. I don't know if the phar wrap. I mean, I guess I could play with it. I'm just not sure. The phar wrapper seems that I have to pass it this stuff. Okay. Let's look at that then. I mean, okay, we'll try it. So I need to do this urls.txt. We're going to delete all of this crap, and we're going to put that in there. Okay. All right. I'm going to. So we have the dev site where we're going to upload stuff, and we have this where we're going to do the phar stuff, right? Page phar. Oh, but it's not going to work because this appends.php. There's two things. There's just two things that are just clashing, and I can't wrap my head around them. We can upload phar files, but we can't grab them. Another thing that won't help, because this page thing adds .php at the end, and I can't upload a .php file. No, Romans, it won't. It just reads and it goes through the it makes curl requests. You can navigate to the phar to execute. No, because it ends in .phar. If I try and put like uploads blah 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 urls.phar, right? If I do this, it's just going to append a .php at the end, which means it's not going to find it. How is this a medium? I'm either overthinking this to the max, or this is really freaking confusing. Because like there are things that seem to fit together. Yeah, I'm definitely, like I said, I'm overthinking it. We can upload a file. We know where the file goes. We can give it a dot. I mean, yeah, we just can't upload .php. You should be able to upload a phar file. You're on the right path. Yeah, this is the problem. I can upload a .phar file, but I don't know how I can access it because the thing that loads this, appends.php. No, we can't send it as .php. Again, check if extension is allowed. If any of these extensions are detected, it will not allow it. And it's preg match with an I, so it's not like I could just do capital letters PHP. Okay, again, I'm not gonna say this again. And I'm sorry that I'm getting a little irritated. I know how to upload phar file. Actually, let's fucking do it. Uploading the file is not the issue. Okay. There it is. All right. But my problem is to include this file in this bit. It ends in .phar. Right? I can't. Everything I give to this is going to append .php. Maybe it won't matter. I mean, we could try it, I guess. So we are technically in uploads. No, it doesn't. Again, variable. The access log ends in .log. It does not end in .php. Let's do that, maybe. No. This is why this is just. I feel like I'm. Like the whole reason that the PHP encoding trick, the filters trick, that doesn't matter, all right? Because what's funny about the PHP encoding thing, where is it? I've lost it now. Right, here we go. This, it depends if I don't do a URL encode. It ends in this, resource equals php :/temp. The great thing about PHP is that you can append .php to this and it won't give a shit. You can access contents of the file, adding file name at the end. Okay. Did it? It might have deleted it. Yes, deleted it already. Okay, we'll try that. If that's true, that'd be amazing. What am I doing? Here we go. Okay. Nope. Do I actually have to just add file name, or is that, you know? You see, there's this, maybe you can't see it there, but I am putting a I'm putting a slash file name. Can you click open the phar file? I mean, the phar file is just, it's just this. Oh, you mean on here? Oh, for fuck's sake. Are you kidding me? It just fucking executes the shit? Is that a standard feature? That can't be a standard feature. Really? Oh my god. Test.phar. Oh, tets.phar. I accidentally spelled it. Seriously? I had no idea that was even possible. That's utterly freaking ridiculous. So the... So wait a minute, the whole... What's the point of the, What's the point of this thing, then? Is this just another stupid rabbit hole? I've never actually come across... The thing is, phar files, you just don't see them, so it's like, it's not even something you come across. Well, now I know. God damn it. That's kind of funny. I wonder if it mentions that you can just upload phar files. Well, okay. That is just really stupid. Okay, I mean, now we just need to use the shell again then. msfvenom -- list payloads grep php. I'll try the PwnCat one in a minute, but the msfvenom one actually has good. Just to a system. Christy, what does that say? And what does this say? Thank you for playing. Okay, the PHP reverse shell in here is actually pretty good. Yeah, reverse PHP connect back shell, which checks for disabled functions. I've actually used this one in the past. It's pretty good. So list options, I think it is. Okay, just lhost and lport. Excellent. -o rev.php. We'll just put it into that first. Oh, need equals. Kettlebell, I've missed your subscription. Sorry, thank you. Yes, on a Saturday. Okay, yes, this is nice. If I do... So what we're going to do now... Oops, what am I doing? urls.phar. I'm going to delete all of this. We're going to put that at the end. And then we're going to cat rev.php into url.phar. Should be fine. Okay, good. Okay, we still got that up. First bit made this look like a breathe. Okay. That looks promising. We've got yes. Fuck. That was annoying. ID. Let's. Okay, we're just gonna try not. I don't know why Python 2 would even do anything. Yeah, we could spawn a new rev shell, to be honest. Let's do MC McNod, my old favorite. We just need to change the bin sh into user bin sh. Okay, user bin sh. And then everything else can go fine. IP address is good. There we go. Okay. Python. Oops. Hopefully. There we go. I don't know why that worked, but there we go. Should be good. Lovely. Okay. Can't even cat the user. Wow, okay. What else we got in here? I can cd into dev. That's oh, that's a file. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, this is an SUID. Calling system, love it. To run this, okay. So that's gonna run as test. Possibly, yeah. That is a good idea, Python. Yeah. Just echo. Export Python path. Actually, why don't I just do? I'm going to set this up then. Hang on. I presume we have access to this in the fact that I can. Yeah. Okay. Print. It worked. I just have to. Actually, it's Python 2, so I just have to do this. Because Python 2 is dumb. Oh my goodness, what happened there? Didn't mean to do that. All right. Okay. So now if I do cd home developer dev export Python path. Okay. What? Just do this. Yay, it worked. All right, that was a waste. Yeah, okay, that makes a lot more sense. All right. This has been a long box. But the problem is now we need to do import os.system. We'll do print. It's probably not gonna. No, it did work. All right, cool. All right, user bin bash -p. Boom.
We are in.
All right. Okay, that was I knew it was what is it with me and overthinking things. Story of my life. All right, here we go. I'm gonna mute this tab so it doesn't do this stupid thing. All right. I mean, that was. I mean, I guess it's not really that hard if you know the stupid phar thing. Why did they have that LFI? Really? Was that just so you get the source code of the app? Yeah, I'll do hard. I wonder if you can exploit it using the PHP thing. We spent quite a while on it. I imagine there must be a way of doing it. It seemed very close. We could get like, I mean, we could execute PHP code. We just can't. It works with PHP chain, but how? Like which? I'm gonna have to read up on it, I guess. We tried that. I honestly wonder how. Okay, now can we just do sudo -l something? Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, I don't need any help on this one, chat. This is just going to be installing a Python module. Sudo. Yeah, well, I mean, we're just going to copy and paste all this crap. Yeah, I can run it as root as well. It's great. Execute business. Yeah, that should be fine. We'll try. I tell you what, Christy, if you can find a working PHP filter chain, we will do that afterwards. Oh yeah. All right.
I'm in.
Yeah, if you can find me a working chain, we'll try that. Like even just the PHP code that gets you submit flag. I mean, this was piss easy. That wasn't even hard. Okay. On the screen are my socials. Please follow me on Twitter, join the Discord server, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course follow me on Twitch to get alerted when I go live. You can also find all these links in the video description.